Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick unboxing, installation, and review of a cheap eBay tow hitch bike rack. If you guys are like me, you probably found this video because you searched cheap eBay bike rack review. This is a bike rack that can be found on Amazon for around $75 or eBay for $50-ish, and I couldn't find any reviews on it, so just decided to do it myself. We're gonna do a quick unboxing. I have box cutters. Just gonna open it up. These are the parts that are inside. It came with a set of instructions and all of the components that you see out here. And now we're going to put it together. The first step is to insert the hitch bar, which is this, into the bottom of the base right here. I noticed that there were some bolts and washers just floating in the box, so I see that these match right here. I'm going to take this one off. And then we're going to take this. If you look here, there's two holes right there. We're just going to slide this into here. And then just going to hand tighten these right now. Tighten them later. We're going to take our 16mm socket, just tighten it in. The next step, it says to remove these pins, which were already moved for me. Just going to swing this out. Next, we're going to take these pins out and put them back in. I'm going to use the box cutter to cut this apart. And then with these, we're going to slide them in here, but we'll have to loosen this. I think these are the same. They appear to be the same. Looking at these two, I already cut the zip tie, and this actually fits better over here. So I'm going to take the one from over there and slide this in. I'm going to loosen this first. Slide this in over here and tighten that. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. So I don't think it really matters right now. I can always adjust it later for the length of my bicycle. Moving over to the side, we're going to put the big one on first. Tighten that. We can always adjust it later, and then put the smaller one on right there and tighten that. Here is the complete bike rack.